Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a design using a dotting tool. There may well be an official name for this design, but I just call it the dotting nail design because it's basically made of little dots. Don't worry if you can't see the information about this polish. I'll detail and list everything in the description box below. Okay, so I'm just putting on the background layer, the first coat of this varnish. It's a gel polish, although I'm pretty sure, don't quote me because I haven't actually tried it myself, but I'm pretty sure you could do exactly the same design using normal nail varnish. So after curing the first layer, you can then apply your second coat just to make the background colour more opaque, and cure that. And then using my tile as my palette, I shall get the chosen colours. These are all gel polishes, as I said before. And yes, I know this one is a bit gloopy and a bit thick. I've since thinned it out a little, but yeah, for the purpose of this demonstration it doesn't matter if it's a bit gloopy, it's fine. So I'm just choosing 3 colours here, I believe, and just to give a nice contrast on the background colour. This one's a nice turquoise colour. Really do like this colour. I've said it before, but I do love it. It's a great colour. It's got a shimmer to it. It's very nice. Okay, so once I've got all those ready to go, grab my dotting tool, choose the thickness of dot size, whether I want to use the thinner or the thicker side, and then just start randomly making a design. There are a few different options that you can go for when doing designs. For this demonstration I'm just doing a dots in a line basically. It looks good at the end, so I'll let you enjoy for a moment and I shall be back soon. Okay, and here you can see I've made the dots already with the pink polish, and I must apologise, my camera on my phone is not the best and just keeps going out of focus, but I'm trying to zoom in here best I can. So I'm just sort of flicking a little line up from the last row of dots. Hopefully you can see that okay. Just gave a little variation on the design. Okay, and so now it's time for a top coat. Like I said, I will list all the products I used in the description box at the end. So yeah, just apply the top coat, and this is a no wipe top coat, so you're good to go as soon as it's been cured. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please be kind, as I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing my knowledge and my inspiration with you all, and hopefully inspire you. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a couple of other variations that I've done, and there's a few pictures at the end for you. Please do subscribe, comment and like, really would mean a lot to me, and I appreciate it. Until the next time, have a great day guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye.